Hello everyone, this is teacher Faluk. I hope everybody is safe. This is my second video for you guys. You are going to study science with me and I will give you the answer of the questions from last week. I hope everybody can follow my lesson and understand. Let's get started. So what did we study last time? We studied about sound, right? Sound needs a medium to travel. Do you remember this? Sound needs a medium to travel. What are the mediums sound travel? Which are solid, liquid, and gas, right? Sound can travel with solids, with liquids, and with gas. But sound cannot travel in space. What is space? This is space. You see that? You see the picture? This is space. Out of the earth. Sound cannot travel in space. So this is what we learned last week. Let's look at this week's lesson, which is we are going to learn about the pitch and loudness of sound. What does it mean? Pitch. We are going to learn about pitch. Pitch means how low or high a sound is. Let's say if I make a sound like this, ah, this is a high sound. If I make a sound like this, this is a low sound. Okay, so pitch is how low or how high a sound is. It depends on the frequency of vibration of the sound. Okay, let's talk about it. What is a vibration? Do you remember the vibration? If you put your two fingers over here on your throat and if you speak la 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 la, you can feel the vibration. Same as your phone, right? If somebody calls you, your phone vibrates, right? It vibrates, same as here. So that's how we can have sound. Let's say if the vibration is low, which is not enough vibration, the frequency will be low. The pitch will be low as well. If the vibration is fast, high, la 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 la, the vibration will be, if the vibration is high, the frequency will be high. The pitch will be high as well. The frequency is a sound of a sound is the number of vibration in a second. Its unit is hertz. What is hertz? Hertz. Hertz is same as a unit of other things. For example, think like this. Okay. When I ask you a question, what is your weight? Or how many of your kilogram, right? You can answer with kilogram. You can say, I am, for example, if you ask me, what is your weight? I can answer you. My weight is 75 kilogram. If I ask you, how tall are you? You can answer, I answer my height. I am 180 centimeters. If I ask you about Newton, which is how strong you push something or you pull something, you can say 1 Newton or 2 Newton or 5 Newton, right? So you can also answer with Newton. How about hertz? Hertz is about the pitch, about the frequency. We can also measure the frequency, which is, we can say, hertz. We will learn about this later again. Okay, let's look at the next page. Next, we are going to have an experiment, which is, you need a plastic ruler for that. Unfortunately, I don't have a plastic ruler at home. But if you have a plastic ruler, please do this one. Don't have a metal ruler. It should be a plastic. So number one, you are going to hold 5 centimeters of a plastic ruler firmly on the edge of the table, like this. 5 centimeters. It doesn't matter, just make it long. Okay? And then you push the free end of the ruler. How can I show you? Let's say, if this is the ruler, okay? Example. You put the edge of the table, and then you push. This is the table, let's say, and then you push this part. Because this is not a ruler, it cannot work. But you understand me. You push this ruler, and then you listen the sound. What kind of sound you have? And then you bring the ruler closer, right? So the short end, the end of the ruler will be short this time, like this. And then you can push it again, this part only. Push. How is the sound? So this is the experiment. Let's answer the questions, how the answer is going to be. For example, first, let me show you the examples. The long free end of the ruler vibrates if it is long, like this, right? Long. Like in the picture over here, guys. This one. If this part is long, when you push it, it will vibrate, go up and down slowly, right? You will see that. If the vibration is slow, long free end, it will be slow, right? If the vibration is slow, what is going to happen? Do you remember this? Let me show you again. Let's go back, If the vibration is slow, the frequency is going to be low. The pitch is going to be low as well, right? So if the vibration is slow, the frequency will be low. The pitch will be low also. Easy, right? Super easy. Let's look at the short free end. If the ruler is like this, if it is shorter, when you push it like this, if it is shorter, when you push this part, it will vibrate quickly, faster. It will vibrate faster, okay? Which is, it's going to be fast. If it is fast, what is the frequency? Super easy. High. Pitch is going to be high as well. So this is the answer of this question. If you want, you can write this in your notebook. So if the vibration is slow, frequency and pitch is going to be low. If the vibration is fast, the frequency will be high and the pitch is going to be high also. Okay, let's look at the next page. Next, we are going to talk about the loudness. What is loud? Loud. Loud. Loudness. Let me write loudness over here. You can repeat after me. Loudness. Loudness. Loudness means that how soft or loud is a sound, right? Sounds are also different in how loud or how soft they are. The loudness of a sound depends on the amount of energy in the vibration of a sound. Think about it. If the vibration is slow, the sound is going to be soft, right? If the vibration is fast, the sound is going to be louder. Let's talk about the soft sound first. Think about it. When you type with a keyboard, right? When you type with a keyboard, like this picture, right? This person is typing on a keyboard. We gently tap the keys with our fingers. So this uses less energy and the vibration is weak, which is the vibration is slow. So it makes a soft sound. What kind of soft sound you can think of? I have one example here, which is the whispering. You see, I'm showing you whispering over here. When you whisper your friend, the sound is going to be soft, right? What kind of other soft sound you can think of? Think about it. So you can write this in your notebook. Write soft sound. You can write whispering. What else you can write? You can write tapping on a keyboard, right? Give me more examples. You can write in your notebook. So we will continue with the next page, which we are going to talk about loud sound. So we talk about the soft sound, right? Like whispering or tapping on a keyboard. But sometimes we have a loud sound. What kind of loud sound we have? For example, when you hit your fist hard on the table. Don't do that. Don't do that. It is dangerous. You will hurt your fist. You will hurt your hand, right? Example, when you hit your fist hard on the table, you can hear a loud sound, but don't do that. I give you another example, which is an ambulance over here. Do you see that? The ambulance has a loud sound. Why is that? So from far away we can hear the ambulance sound. In the traffic, the people in the car, they can hear the ambulance coming, so they can stay away from the road so the ambulance can pass, right? Another example is this picture. This person using a megaphone. This is we call megaphone, okay? Megaphone to make a loud sound. So we can hear a loud sound when we hit our fist hard on the table. This is because we use more energy to hit the table and the vibration contains more energy. So the vibration is fast when we make a loud sound. Let's look at our next slide, which is we are going to answer these questions. Is it a soft sound or loud sound? So please stop the video and answer them yourself. After that, you can continue the video so you can look at the correct answers. If you are ready, let's get started. Is it a soft sound or loud sound? This t-shirt, is it a soft sound or loud sound? Of course, it is a soft sound. T-shirt doesn't have any sound, right? It is a soft sound. Tapping on keyboard, soft or loud? The answer is soft. Telephone, when somebody is calling, is it soft or loud? This is actually loud. Why is it loud? Because if it is soft, we cannot hear it. It should be loud so that, oh, somebody is calling, so you can open your phone. Next one is the snake. Oh, I am afraid of snakes. The snake has a soft sound, right? This became like a 5. Sound, soft sound. Next one is a instrument. What is the name of this instrument? Who knows? I think some of you guys know about this instrument. We already studied so many times. This is called a saxophone. Saxophone has a loud sound. The next picture is the mixing, the tea or coffee, right? Is this a soft or loud sound? This is actually soft, right? But it can be even loud, maybe if you make it so fast. But don't make it so fast. So if you do it so fast, you will spill some coffee out of the cup. So make it soft. So this is going to be soft sound. Next one, fireworks. Wow, in New Year, right? The fireworks is loud sound. We can even hear it from far away. Next one is the radio. Radio has the loud sound. And the last one, last picture is cactus. Cactus. We can find cactus in deserts. Okay? The cactus has a soft sound also. Perfect. So these are the answer. If you did it correctly, good job. Perfect. The next picture, I'm going to give you the answers of the questions I gave you as a homework. So A, sound needs a medium to pass on the vibrations. This is correct. Vacuum is a good medium for sound to travel. Not correct. Sound can only travel through gases. Not correct. We can hear better by using earplugs. This is an earplug. So this is not correct. In outer space, the astronauts shout at each other for communication. No, not correct. They don't shout. Next one, a whistle produces a high-pitched sound. Yes, correct. Next one, sound can be made louder or softer. Correct. A loud sound carries less energy than a soft sound. No, not correct. It has more energy. The sound of a radio becomes softer when we walk further away from it. When we walk further away from the radio, it becomes softer. Correct. So the next one is your homework. For your homework, you are going to make a telephone cup. What do you need to make a telephone cup? You need 2 cups like this, okay? 2 cups like this. Like this example over here, cups. And you need toothpicks, which is over here, toothpicks. I have it inside, toothpicks. I show you. Oh. Over here, see? Okay, toothpicks like this. And you will need strings, which is this one, string, over here, the string. And you need a thumbtack, which is this one, but you don't need thumbtack. You don't have to use this because it is dangerous. You can use a pencil to make a hole over here under the cup. You make a hole for this one and the other one, hole. And then you put the string inside the holes, and at the end of the string you can put a toothpick. After that, you can play this with your brother, with your sister, or with your parents, with your mom or your dad. So when you make a sound like this, the other person can hear, but it should be a straight like this. It cannot be loose. If it is loose, you cannot hear each other. It should be a straight line like this. Okay guys, so this is your homework. I hope you finish your homework, and I will say it next time when we have Zoom call with you guys. Please show me your homework next time. Okay, everybody. So I will say goodbye now. I hope you understand everything I said, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye, everyone. Bye bye.